Here's how to get the Amazon Prime student offer. You're going to wish you were a student or between 18 and 24 when you hear everything that this has. So the Amazon Prime student offer is Amazon Prime for young adults. It used to be called Amazon Prime Student. There's a link in the description that will take you to this page, which is this special landing page, because if you already have Amazon Prime, you can actually switch to this from this landing page only. Now, you can join if you're between 18 and 24 years old. You don't have to be a student, but also if you are a student, you can join. And when you do join, you get 6 months free of Amazon Prime. And after that, it's 50% off. For as long as you're a student or until you're 25 years old, you get 5% cash back on tons of items in beauty, fashion, electronics. We're talking Apple products. You can literally buy an Apple laptop or an Apple iMac and get 5% cash back on that iMac. That's a pretty awesome deal. You also get Grubhub Plus free food deliveries. Get those free food deliveries, you guys. You get Prime Video unlimited streaming. You get as much fast free shipping as you want. And every Prime benefit that Amazon Prime has, along with the 5%, which is something new that regular Prime members don't get. So if you do have Amazon Prime already, you click that link in the description, it takes you to here, and instead of saying join Prime, it says check if you're eligible or check eligibility. And you click that and it still goes to the same page where you can just verify as a student or verify as 18 to 24 years old. You can switch your membership to that 50% off and get your 5% cash back. Or if you don't have Prime or you don't even have an Amazon account, you can sign up and get the 6-month free trial of this to decide if you like the 5% cash back and if you like all the Prime benefits that this has to offer. This has me wishing I was a student or between 18 and 24 so I could get this offer, and I wish it was available back when I was within that eligibility range. So that's Amazon Prime for young adults. Check it out with the link in the description. Go get that 6-month free trial.